Good to see you. To ensure your recruiting campaigns always run smoothly, we recommend setting up an automatic payment method. This way, you ensure that your booked advertising budget is immediately available and prevent your account from being restricted due to overdue invoices. I'll briefly show you where to set this up. Simply click on your company profile in the top right corner and select the billing item on the left. And there you have it. You'll find the payment method here. You can conveniently choose your preferred option, for example, credit card, direct debit, or PayPal. Enter your details and confirm the entry. From now on, all bookings will be processed automatically and securely, so you can fully concentrate on your applicants. Great! Now your account is financially ready to go. If you scroll a little further down in the same menu, you will also find all your invoices directly in the overview. This way you always have a perfect view of your accounting. If you ever have questions about the payment options or an invoice, just get in touch with us. We're happy to help.